SECC is committed to empowering students with the ability to continue to create videos directly from home during the COVID-19 pandemic. To do that, we've created a few suggested equipment kits. Today, we're going to be looking at the first package, the reporter setup. It includes an LED ring light with a small tripod, a wired microphone, and if needed, an iPhone Lightning adapter. A PDF with links to these items will be in the video description, or check out our website at secctv.org. I'm joined by Nick from SECC, who's going to show us how to use our first setup. So Nick, what do we have here today?
Thanks, Nebaiot. Hello, everybody. Today we have our first package setup. This is going to be our reporter setup. So if you take a look here, this is everything that's going to come in that package. Let me kind of run through everything for you guys so you guys can see everything. So first we have our LED ring light right here. We have our smartphone holder that's going to go on your LED ring light. We have the mini tripod. It's right here. This kit also includes a mini Bluetooth shutter button, just in case you want to use this for your phone. It uses iOS and Android. Kit also comes with a USB wall wart adapter to plug in your LED ring light to the wall. This is your Lightning to headphone jack adapter. And then this is your wired lavalier microphone. Comes in a small bag just like this. So these are all the pieces. Let me go ahead and run through how we're gonna set the LED ring light up so you guys can see how it's done properly and safely. So to set up your LED ring light, first you're gonna take the tripod and the ring light itself, and you're gonna screw in the tripod into the bottom right here of the LED ring light. So we're just gonna go ahead and screw this in nice and gently, make sure it gets nice and tight. There you go. And then you're gonna take the smartphone holder, which is right here, has a cold shoe mount on the bottom, and then you're gonna slide it right into the cold shoe mount right here on the LED ring light. So make sure you loosen this a little bit. Go ahead and slide it in, and then tighten. You wanna tighten down right here, the cold shoe lock right there. So now that's pretty tight. It's not going anywhere. So I'm gonna put our legs out and put this on the table right here. There we go. And then I can actually plug in the USB for the ring light into our wall wart right here. And then we're gonna plug this into the wall. Okay, so now that we got that plugged in, I can go ahead and turn this on, and there it is. So you can see it actually lights up quite a bit, and you can dim right here with this little switch. If you see here on the actual remote, there's the power button, turns it on and off. We have the dimmer, goes a positive and a negative sign. This can turn it up, and you can click it to turn it down. And then right in the middle is a little switcher that you can switch this color temperature of the light. So you can see I can switch it from, we have daylight, then we have 2700 Kelvin soft light, and then we also have right in the middle, right around 5000 Kelvin. So really different options for you guys in case you guys need to adjust your lighting based on where you are. So then I'm gonna also put my cell phone right into this little mount right here. And it just basically, it's really simple. All it does is it slides in, and then your cell phone's mounted right there. You also want to make sure that your cell phone and this light is lined up with one of the legs here. You can see my cell phone is basically in line with the leg, just so that way it's not going to tip over if you guys accidentally bump this or anything. And that's basically how you set up the LED ring light. Pretty simple. And that's it for our reporter setup. Nebaiot, back to you.
Thank you, Nick. This kit will do wonders for our students. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact your teachers or check out our website at secctv.org. I'm Nebaiot, and thank you for watching.